It is weather time now, Josh. A frosty start is on the way.
Certainly, Georgia, across parts of the southeast as we rise up and out of bed on Wednesday morning. Of course, this is on the back of the warmest July on record for parts of the southeast in terms of average maximum temperatures. Areas such as Ipswich, Archerfield, even Brisbane and Toowoomba seeing their warmest July on record. As we take a look at the Ridges weather camp tonight, where today in the city we hit tops of 23 degrees, one above average for the last day of July. After an overnight low of 8 degrees, a little bit cooler last night, and in fact Ipswich got into the minuses. Right now in the CBD, we're sitting on 17 degrees, humidity at 50%, and the wind's nice and light at 7 kilometres per hour. But diving into the satellite tonight, not much cloud cover in terms of Queensland, clear skies, so that will allow those temperatures to drop again dramatically overnight. What we do have is a cold front sweeping through southeastern Australia at the moment, passing over areas of Tassie, central Victoria currently. In fact, Melbourne experiencing some very heavy showers currently, and severe weather warnings in place for some areas. This will be followed up by a second system approaching the southwest of WA, and this system could be a little bit on the stronger side, so we'll certainly have to watch that over the coming days, and it should track over the continent as we get across the next 48 hours. But for tomorrow, again, we've got this belt of high pressure sitting over central and eastern Australia, again stopping cold frontal activity surging further northwards. But you will notice this system does surge a little bit further northwards, and as it begins to track across the country as we get through the back end of this week, what will happen is winds will tend more northerly ahead of the system, and this will drive some warmer air again down into southern Queensland, and that's why those temperatures will be spiking for the southeast by around about Saturday. In fact, areas like Ipswich getting up to 28 degrees. Now, as you can see here in the far northern regions of Queensland, onshore winds as well, so the Peninsula Coast could see a shower tomorrow, but apart from that, as you can see, it will be a dry Wednesday for most areas of the state. We're expecting again those early frost patches across areas of the central and southern inland. Moving into state now in Sydney, we're looking at a partly cloudy day for Wednesday with a top temp at 21 degrees, partly cloudy skies as well for Melbourne with 15. So a fine day after that front passes through overnight. We're looking at some early drizzle for Adelaide, tops of 17 degrees, and it won't be pleasant through the southwest of WA and Perth. 17 showers, thunderstorms. It will be windy with that powerful front as it approaches. Into Queensland though, fine and sunny skies for most areas. 27 on the way for Cairns, 26 for Townsville. Beautiful day for Longreach, hitting 26, and some early frost for Roma getting down to -1 overnight. For the southeast, it will be fine and sunny areas of morning frost inland. Overnight temperatures falling to between 0 and 8 degrees. Daytime temperatures reaching the mid-20s. 23 on the way for the Gold Coast and Sunshine Coast tomorrow, and we're looking at 24 degrees for Logan. Out on the bay, east to southeasters, 10 knots tomorrow, seas below 1 metre. Brisbane City, fine and sunny with a top of 24 degrees. Staying dry over the next few days, but again, we're looking at a frosty start tomorrow for Ipswich, Georgie. Warming up though as we get towards the weekend, tops at 28.
Yeah.
Could head to the beach.
A nice hot weekend. Thank you, Josh. That is 10 Eyewitness News for now. For more details on tonight's stories, head to 10 Daily. Have a good night.